Good morning students, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are here discuss some topic related to the mathematics, that is large numbers. Okay, so before starting the lesson, some warm up is given there. Just see what it is. Arrange the following digits of the numbers under their correct place. As mentioned, remember to use 0 as a placeholder whenever necessary. Okay, that you already learned student. Okay, see the first one. Now complete the following. 9 in 10,000 place. Here, where is the 10,000 place is? Yes, you have to write 9. Then 4 in ones place. So 4 in ones place, and then 2 in 1,000 place. Where is the 1,000 place? Here you have to write 2. Okay. Now which places are remaining? The place is 110. So here you have to write 0, 0. Okay. Now see the C1. 9 in tens place. Where is the tens place? Here is you have to write 9. 2 in hundreds place. So 100 place is where? Yes, here you have to write 2. Then 6 in 1 lakh place. Where is the 1 lakh place? Here you have to write 6. Then 3 in 1,000 place. 1,000 place 3, and 4 in 10,000 place. So here is right. Yes, 4 in 10,000 place. So which place is remaining? That is 1. So here you have to write 0. Okay. Now in this way students, you have to do the remaining one. You know already how to do it. Yes. Now moving to the next, that is 7 and 8 digit numbers. So students, up to the 3rd and 4th standards, you have learned about the 6 and 7 digit number. Now in the 5th standards, you are having the numbers up to 7 and 8 digit. Just see. When we add 1 to the largest 6 digit number, we get the smallest 7 digit number. That is, yes, you just have to count ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, yes, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. Similarly, the largest 7 digit number, what is the largest 7 digit number is? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Means you have to count it as 99 lakhs, 99,999. If we add 1 to it, the result will be the smallest 8 digit number. So smallest 8 digit number will be ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and the crore. So what is the 8 digit smallest number is? 1 crore. Okay. Now largest 8 digit number is, you just have to count ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. So 8 digit largest number is 9 crore, 99 lakhs, 99,999. Okay. Now see, there are the two systems of numeration. The first one is Indian system of numeration. Students, you already have an idea about Indian numeration system. Yes. In the crore periods, which are the two numbers? Which are the two places are present? That is 10 crore and crores. In the lakhs period, 10 lakhs and lakhs. In the 1,000 periods, 10,000 and 1,000. And in ones period, hundreds and 10, 100, tens and ones. Okay. Now, yes, you know how to write the numbers in a place value chart. Crore periods is crore. Yes. Lakhs periods is 10 lakhs and lakhs. 1,000 periods is 10,000 and thousands. Ones period is hundreds, tens and ones. So students, what is the use of comma? Just see. Commas are used to separate the periods which help us recognize the number of names. For example, here the digits in 89657985 can be separated by putting the commas at, yes, it is the 8 crore 96 lakhs 57,985, and it is read as, yes, I already read it. Similarly, consider the number 89605375. So it can be written as putting the commas, that is 8 crore 96 lakhs 5,375. Okay. So when you are using the comma, it's just easy for us to read the numbers. See my practice time 1. Write the given number in a place value chart. So you just have to write the numbers in a place value chart. Okay, just see. The number is, yes, 8 is in the crore place. So you just have to write the number here is the 8. 10 lakhs 3, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 78. Okay. Now see the second one, that is, this is the 76 lakhs. So you just have to put the number as 7, 6, 5, 8, 1, 3, 4. Okay. Now see the second one. We just have to write down the commas. So in the Indian system, first you have to put the commas after 3 numbers and after the 2 numbers. So the number is 1, 7, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. So first put the commas from the right hand side, 3, then 2, then 2 and the 1. Again write the number 9930567. So first you have to put the comma after the 3, then 2 and the 2. Okay students, are you understood? Yes. Then see the third question. So how you read this number? How much? 79 lakhs 86,590. Okay, you just have to write here. Then 4 crore 97 lakhs 1062. 6 crore 4 lakhs 98,751. 9 crore 56 lakhs 85,001. Okay. Now see how you are writing the number. 9 crores. You just have to write 9 crore. Then 36 lakhs. 36. So you have to write 36 lakhs. Then 79,000. 79,000 and 836. 836. Okay. Now see. 2 crore 810. So 2 crore. Where is the 2 crore? Lakhs is not given. So write 0, 0. 1000 is not right. So write 0, 0. And 800. So 810. Okay. Now in this way students you have to do the remaining one. See the next one is place value and the face value. Students, you have already studied what about the place value and the face value. The place value of the number of the digit depends on the position of the digit in a place value chart. Yes. Then whereas the face value of the digit is the value of the digit itself. So what about the place value and face value? Place value means the number where it is situated in the, yes, what is the position of that number in the place value chart. And what about the face value? Face value of any number is the number itself. Okay. Now see here. The question, find the place value and the face value of 6 and 9 in the number. See, the number is given. What is the place value? Where is the 6 is situated? That is on the 10,000 place. So what is the value of 6 is 60,000. Where is the number situated in the place of 1000? So what is the value of 9 is 9,000. And what about the face value? As I already told, the face value of any number is the number itself. Okay. Now what about the expanded form and the standard form? The expanded form is a way of expressing a number as the sum of the place values of all the digits. For example, expanded form of 53,67,378, it has 50 lakhs, 3 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 300 plus 70 and plus 8. Okay. Now similarly, the expanded form of 2 crore 98 lakhs 76,059 is 2 crore plus 90 lakhs plus 8 lakhs plus 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 50 plus 9. Okay. Now when we write any number in a figures, it is known as the standard form. For example, the standard form of 7 crore plus 60 lakhs plus 8 lakhs plus 60,000, 2,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4. So it will be written as 7 crore 68 lakhs 62,524. Okay. Now similarly, the standard form of 80 lakhs 4 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 3, it will be written as 84 lakhs 62,930. Okay students, are you understood how to write the extended form and the standard form? Yes. Just see the my practice time 2. Find the place value and the face value of underlying digit. Okay. Now students, here you can see In which place the 4 is placed? Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So what will be the place value? The place value will be 4000. And what about the face value? Face value is the 4. Then here is the 3, 1, tens, hundred, thousand again. So here I have to write 3000. And what about the face value? Face value is 3. Now here 2 is in the 100 place, so you have to write 200 and the face value is 2. Okay. Now here you can say what is the value of that? That is 60 lakhs. Okay. And what is the place value? This is the place value. And what is the face value? Face value is the 6. Okay. Now see, second question, write the following numbers in expanded form. So here you have to write the numbers in expanded form. You see the number. The number will be 4 crore 15 lakhs 68,130. So how you are writing this number as? Just write the number 4 crore plus 10 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 8,000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 0. So this is the expanded form of that number. Now see, the remaining one you have to do by your own, students. Now the third question, write the following in the standard form. So how you are writing the numbers in standard form? The number is 90 lakhs plus 6 lakhs plus 80,000 plus 9,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 7. Okay. Now you just have to write the number in standard form. So it will be 90 lakhs plus 6 lakhs. It is equal to 96 lakhs. 80 plus 9 is 89,000 and 200, 1 and 7. Okay. So students, are you understood how to write the number? Now see the question number 4. Which of the following option is the correct expanded form of? Yes, the number is 5 crore 16 lakhs 87,000 and 94. Which is the correct? That is 90 plus 4. So it is the only one, that is 90 plus 4. Yes, this is the correct option. Now, which of the following is the correct standard form of? This is the 8 crore 7 lakhs 65,293. The one, 8 crore 7 lakhs 65,293. Then see this one. The number is given in the addition form, in standard form. You just have to write in a Hindu Arabic system. It is the number 20 lakhs, 4 lakhs means 24 lakhs. How much? 3,00118. So you have to write the number in a word, that is 24 lakhs 3,180. Okay. Now see, the next one is comparison of numbers. So students, you know how to compare the numbers. When you are comparing the numbers, some rules are given there. The first one you can see. When comparing the two numbers, first look for the numbers of the digits in both. The numbers having the more numbers of digit is the larger one. So when you are comparing, you just have to first see which numbers is having the higher digit. Okay, here is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So which one is the greater one? This one is the greater one. Then, when the numbers of digits are same, when we start comparing the digits starting from left to the right. Now see, here is the 8-digit number, here is the 8-digit number. So what you have to do, you just have to compare the right from the right hand side. Okay, just see the first from left to right. The first digit is 4, here is the 4. Here is the 9, here is the 9. So here is the 7, here is the 8. So which one is the greater? This number is the greater one. Okay. Now, see the ascending and descending order. So when the numbers are arranged from smallest to the largest, they are said to be in the ascending order. Yes, and when the numbers are arranging from largest to the smallest, they are said to be in a descending order. So students, you already studied about the ascending and descending order. Yes, so before ascending and descending order, you just have to compare the number. In the ascending order, first see the smaller one, then greater, and then greater. And what about the descending order? First you have to see the greater, then smaller, and then smaller number. Okay, now see in my practice time 3, which are the number are greater and smaller. You just have to put the sign of that. 91, see the digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it is the greater one. Okay, now here is the 7 digit. Here is the 7 digit. See the first number, that is 5 and that is 4. So which one is the greater? 5. Okay students, now in this way you have to compare the numbers. Write the numbers in ascending order. So how you are writing the numbers in ascending order? First see the number which is the smaller one. So first count the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is the 7 digit number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is the 8. It is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again it is the 8. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So first you have to compare between the 7 digit number. These are the smaller numbers. So 71,000 is there and 71 lakhs is there and 89 lakhs is there. Which one is the smaller one? 71 lakhs. So first you have to write 71 lakhs after 89. Then between these two, here is the 9, here is the 8. This is the third number and this is the 4, that is 9 crore 41 lakhs 68,432. Okay. Now about the descending order, you have to just see. Again you have to count the number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All the numbers are having the 8 digit. Then see the first less number 9 5 9 4. So 9 9 is the greater one. Here is the 9 8 7 9 8 4. So this is the smaller one. So which is the greater one? 9 8 7 first one, then 9 8 4, then 5 and 4. So 5 and then 4 crore. Okay. Now in this way students, you have to do the ascending and descending order. Just see forming the numbers. In order to form the largest number from given digit, we arrange them in the descending order. If the smaller number is required to be formed, then we arrange the given digit in the ascending order. From the largest and smallest 8 digit number using the digit 7 4 3 1 8 2 6 and 0, you just have to write the largest number and the smaller numbers. Okay. Now see what about the successor and predecessor. The numbers that come just after the given number, it is called the successor, and the number which come just before the given number, it is the predecessor of that number. Okay. Now see my practice time 4. Form the largest and the smallest 7 or 8 digit number using the given digit without repeating the digit. Means here you just don't repeat the numbers and write the 7 and 8 smallest and the largest digit number. Okay. Now here you can see. Right, largest, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So largest 7 digit number, and here I have to write smallest 7 digit number. Okay, so which are the number, that is 6 7 8 1 1 0 3 and 4. See the which number is the greater one, that is 8 7 6 8 8 7 6 4 3 1 0. And what about the smallest number? If you have taken 0 first, it is the 6 digit number. So first you have to write 1 0 3 4 6 7 8. Okay students, now in this we have to do the remaining one. Write the successor and of the following numbers. So what is the successor? Means the next number. So the last number is 102. So what is the successor of 102 is? So you just have to write the full number, and at last you have to write the 103. Okay. Now what about the predecessor? Means the first number which comes before the 3. That is 2. So here I have to write the full number 7692102. Okay. Now, from the number by repeating the given digits, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. So you just have to repeat the number. Which one is the smallest? Smallest means you just have to repeat the small number again. And what about the largest? You just have to use the number 7 to repeat the numbers. Okay. Now, rounding off the numbers. We have already studied the concept of rounding of the numbers in our previous classes. Yes, students, we are already having the rounded of numbers in the 3rd and 4th standard. Now, see, if the number is given 41,868 and if it is nearest to the tens, you just see the last number. It is the 8. So, greater than 5, then make it as 0 and add 1 to the next number. What about the 100? The number is 68. It is again 6 means greater than 5. So make it as 0, 0 and add 1 to the 8. Then what about the 1000? See the number 868. It is again greater than 5. So make it as 0, 0, 0 and add 1 to the 1. It will be 42,000. Okay. Now see my practice time 5. Round up the given number to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousand. Just see it is first one, 41,389. So what you have to write? You just have to write round off the number nearest to tens. If it is the tens, then the number is 41,389. It will be tens, hundreds and thousands. See, when it is nearest to the tens, just see the first number, that is 9. It is greater than 5. So make it as 41390. And it is nearest to the hundreds, so it will be 41389. See the 2 digit. 2 digit is greater than 5, means it is 41. Yes, it is 400. Okay. Now see what about the 1000? 41,389. So it will be as 41,000s. You just see the 3 digit. Okay. Now in this way, students, see how to do the remaining one. Now see the second question. Round off the number nearest to the thousands. The number is 81, 56, 743. So when your number doing nearest to the thousand, see the third last digit. Okay. So the number is like greater than 5. So it will be 81. Add 1 to this, 57,000. So what about the next one is 251, 17,867. So it will be as 251, 18,000. Okay. Now third question is, Mr. Rajesh brought a car from 8,67,599 rupees. Round off the cost of the car to the nearest 10,000. So you just have to do the number nearest to the 10,000, means you just have to consider the number, this fourth one, means it will be 8, 7,000, 8,70,000. Okay. Now see this number 3,18,76,917. Just round up the number nearest to the hundreds, thousands and thousand. 10,000 students, you know how to do it. Okay, do by your own. Now see the next one is International System of Numeration. Students, you have already an idea about the Indian system of numeration. But what about the International System of Numeration? In International System of Numeration, the three numbers are given there. Okay. Now in the Indian system only 2 numbers are there. Here the 3 digits are counting. The first 3 digits are 100 million, 10 million and million. So it will be considered as million period. Then 1000 in 1000 period, that is 100,000, 10,000 and 1,000. And what about the ones period is 100 tens and ones. Okay. See the comparison between the Indian and the international system of numeration. Here is the number crore, here is the 10 million, here is the 10 lakhs, here is the million. Lakhs means 100,000, 10,000 means 10,000 again, 1,000, 100, 100, tens, tens, and ones, ones. So these are same, but these are the difference. Means last three digits are here. You can see in the Indian system, here is the comma between crore and 10 lakhs. Okay, but in the international system, three digits are considered at a one time. That is the million period. Okay. Now, 1 lakh in the Indian system is same as 100,000 in international system. 10 lakhs in the Indian system is same as 1 million in the international system. 1 crore in the Indian system is the same as 10 million in the international system. Okay. Now see in my practice time 6. Insert commas and write these numeration in words using the international system of numeration. Now, so just put the commas that is after the 3 digit. Here the 3 digits. You can read it as 5,014,893. Okay. Now put the number here. Here the 3 numbers. So here is the number 14,002,007. Okay. Now see the number 40 lakhs 5,000. So 40 lakhs means you just have to put 40 lakhs 5,307. Okay. Now write the expanded form. Your student already know how to write the expanded form. Okay. Now 7 million. So you have to write 7 million 7,000. So you have to write 00,000 307. Sorry, 1,027. So you have to write 027. Okay. Now see the Roman numerals. You already have the study about the students Roman numerals. In the Roman numerals, 1 is written as I, 5 for V, 10 for X, 50 for L, 100 for C, 500 for D, and 1,000 for M. So there are some rules are given for writing the Roman numerals. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times that it is occurs. Means if there is means the 2 xxx means 30 means the number is repeated. You just have to add the number and find the value. If a smaller numerals follows a larger numerals, the numbers are added. Means see if the smaller number is in front and greater one is back, then you just have to add the number. That is 5 plus 1 6, x1 9, that is x and 1 is that is 10 plus 1 11, and L and x is means 50 plus 10. Okay. If a smaller numeral precedes a larger numeral, the numbers are subtracted. Just see the greater number is in the front and smaller number is in the back. So you just have to do the subtraction. Okay. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but the symbol V, L, D are never repeated or subtracted. 30 is written as XXX, but 40 is not written as XXX 4 times. Instead of written as, it is written as XL means 50 minus 10. Okay. When a smaller numerals is written in between the two larger numerals, it is always subtracted from the larger numeral just after it. Just see XIX. X means 10, 1, 9. That is XIX means it is the 19. LIV. L means the 50. IV means the 4. Means 5 minus 1. So it will be 54. Okay. I can be subtracted from V and only and X only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. C can be subtracted from D and M only. Okay. Now see, write the following numbers in a Roman numerals. 237. So for 200 you just have to write 200 means 100 is C, C means 200, 30 means XXX, and 7 is written as VII. Okay. Now see the 99. 99 you are writing as 100 minus 10 is 90. And what about the 9 is 10 minus 1. So 100 minus 10 is 90 written as XC. Yes, C means the 100. So 100 minus 10. And 9 is IX means 10 minus 1. So 2017 is written as 2000 plus 10 plus 7. So 2000, 1000 is M. M plus M is 2000. Yes. Then 10 means X, 7 means VII. Okay. Now see, write the following in Hindu Arabic numerals. D, C, X, L, I. D means 500, C means 100, XL means 50, means 50 minus 10 is 40, and I means 2. So the number will be 642. Okay. Now see the next last one. M, C, 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 L, X. M means 1000, C, C, C means 100, 100, 100 means 1300. Then L, X. L, X means the, L means the 50 and X means the 10. So the number is 1360. Okay. Now adding Roman numerals. Add MCXLV and XIX and write the numbers answers in Roman numerals. So MCXLV means M means 1000, C means 100, X means XL means 50 minus 10, that is 40 and 5. So the number is 1145, and XIX means 90. So 1145 plus 19 is equal to 1164. So it will be written as MCLXIV. Okay. Now what about the subtraction? Just see. CCXXVI from DCDLV. So CCXXVI means 100, 100, 200, 26, 226, and C means 100, D means C means 500, D means 100, that is 455. So you just have to subtract the number, the answer will be 229. So 229 be written as CC means 200, 20 means XX, and 9 means IX. Okay. Now see my practice line 7. Write the Roman numerals for the following. So 57. 57 how you are writing? 50 means you just have to write, for 50 you have to write L. And 7 is VII. Okay. Okay. Now see how you are writing the value. 57. 57 means 50. 50 you have to write L, and 7 you have to write VII. What about the 94? 94 is written as, means 100 minus, yes, 100 minus how much? It is 6. So it will be written as XC. Okay, means 100 minus 10 is 90. And what about the 4? That is IV. Okay. Now 134 it will be written as 100. 100 means C for 100, and 34 means 30, and 4 will be IV. Okay. Now write the students, you have to do the own by all the remaining one. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following. The first LVI. L means how much? 50. The 5 and 6 means it will be 56. Okay. Now L means 50, 60, 70, 80 and 1. So it will be 81. Okay. Now see solve the following. Here you just have to do the you just have to see the D1. Okay. LXIX. L means 50. You just have to write LXIX minus XVI. Okay. L means 50, 60. Here is the 50 plus 10 plus 9. IX means 9, so it is the 69 minus XV. X means 10, V means 5, 15, 16, 17. So you have to write 16. What will be the answer? Is 2 and the 52. And the 52 will be written as 50 means LII. Okay students, are you understood how to add the subtract the numbers? Yes. Now here we have finished the lesson number 1, that is large numbers. So students, I hope you all are understood all the topics including in the lesson number 1. Yes, thank you so much for attending the class. Now we are meeting in the next class. Thank you so much students.